There's a variety of opinions that Christians out, and this surprise Christianity, a very big religion with a lot of holding to it, and so be a variety of opinions, probably in the Christian faith about Islam. I can only speak to a Christian who lives in the United States. The people that I interact with the most, Christians who are in Baptist churches, evangelical churches. As Christians, our followers in the Lord Jesus Christ. He is both Lord and Savior. And so for that reason, I would have to be honest and say that every Christian desires that everyone know Jesus. Having said that, good evangelical Christians want to have good relationships with their Islamic friends, and that they want to have an understanding of love, of respect, of charity, will. And, we want to follow Jesus, that we are to love the Lord with our hearts and souls, and we manifest. So, evangelical, that we love Islamic neighbors and good relationships with them.